The level at Meliá Villaitana, is it worth it? Let's check it out. Let's check out this room. Isn't this lovely? Look at this. Got a nice sized bed. Oh, it's very comfortable. I like this one. And they'll give you plenty of pillows. There's a wee pad with QR codes for the hotel. There's a wee notepad and pencils. I've got the mini bar and a couch. Got a selection of sweets, crisps, peanuts, chocolate. Oh, fruit Mentos, I love them. We've got tea and coffee making facilities. There we go. We've got this. We've got a nice selection. We've got Heineken, got Coke, Fanta, water, orange juice. Oh no, it's not orange juice. It's a peach juice. Vodka, whiskey, chocolates, wines. I think that's champagne. Here we have the safe. It's large enough to fit a laptop in. Some storage. Golfing fans, look. Look at the view. In the balcony you can sit and look out, watch the golf. Look at this bathroom. It's absolutely beautiful. So you've got a shower here. Got a shaving mirror. Hair dryer. You've got hand and body lotion, hand wash. Got glasses. Some tissues. There's the bath. Well, bath caddy I think they call it. It's been a long time since I've seen one of them. Complimentary slippers. And I have to say they're actually really good quality. Got an iron and an ironing board. Get the bathrobes and the branding is spot on. You feel like it's quite good quality. Well folks, that was the level at Meliá Villaitana. What do you think? Is it worth it? Would you stay here? I think it's worth it.